let me quickly show you something in my own community. So as you can see, this is African Prince RS community. Did you see that now? In this community, with the help of copywriting skill, I've been able to channel my target audience around the world into my community. As you can see, in this my community, I have over 1,000 participants. Did you see that now? I have over 1,000 participants of interested buyers, people that want to buy anything that I am selling. So irrespective of anything that you are selling online, you need to have a community that you are going to be selling to them. Your community is what we know as that particular place where you want all your customers to be, so that when you want to sell, you don't need to be running adverts all the time. You just talk directly to your community. And in this particular community, that is where you can nurture them through your status. If you are using WhatsApp, you are going to nurture them. You are going to convert anybody that have not been converted. You can see a lot of people in my community. So if you also want to know how to build this thing for you to grow like this, you can also learn copywriting skill. It will teach you, and this is just one of my community. Let me show you another of my community. So this is another community. This is another community of mine that you can actually see here, and it is what? APS Skill Up Institute. Can you see that now? This is what? APS Skill Up Institute. This is where I teach people different skills to make money online. The other one you saw the other time is the community where I teach people different business model to actually make money on this online. So as you can see, this community, we have how many members here as well? We have 1,096 members on this particular community as well. So with the help of copywriting skill, you'll be able to understand how to build this your community. Now, this your community may be on WhatsApp, your community may be on Instagram, your community may be on Telegram, your community may be anywhere you decide that you want your community to be. But the best place your community can be is to be on what? On WhatsApp, so that you can easily see them and they can easily buy and continuously buy from you. So that is one of the reasons why you need to learn copywriting skill. And that is why you see a lot of people. Some people are growing, and you don't know, just quickly go and create group. You continue to add people. Before you add 7, you see say 5 don't leave. You add 20. Before you add 40, 20 don't leave again. When you understand copywriting skill, you continue to add people. And the more you add people, the more you grow. The more you grow, the more opportunities of you selling without advertising. So that is that about that. Another thing that this copywriting skill is going to do for you is that it will allow you to know how to sell indirectly without telling people to come and buy. You see, just go and learn this copywriting skill. When you learn everything that I'm explaining here, you will understand it very well. You see, it will also make you to know how to write what we know as sales copy, ad copy, website copy, email copy. You can see all those people that you were seeing the other time that were collecting your name and your email. After you submitted, whether you buy their course or anything they are advertising, whether you buy it or not, they will continue to send you email. And that was the reason why they collected your email the other time. And once, before they can send you email, they need to understand copywriting skill, because the email they want to be sending to you, they want to use it to start nurturing you till the day that you will buy that their product that they are trying to advertise. Because most of the time, you need to understand all these people that are coming, and that is what leads us to lead generation. But we have not gotten there. That is the last part of the process of making money online. You remember the 4 process is what? Having something of value, learning the strategies of selling that something of value. We are still talking about the strategies presently. We are still going to be talking about learning the right tools for you to support this strategy. And then the last one is understanding marketing funnel. That understanding marketing funnel, we call something lead generation. All those your numbers that you are leaving on their advert, they are generating leads. They are generating leads. What is that lead generation? How do you even generate it? I'm going to be talking about that when we get there. So let's still continue about this copywriting skill. Please, I hope you are getting value from this video. If you are getting value, don't forget to drop a like on this video, and you can drop it in the comment section. African Prince RX, I am getting value from this seminar. So now, this particular skill, copywriting skill, will allow you to know how to do that. And the last part of it is that there are some techniques that we actually use in copywriting skill. If you don't know how to use these techniques, people will still not buy from you. And that is why copywriting covers everything about selling. It covers a lot of strategies. What are those techniques? We have techniques called scarcity techniques. There is a way we use that scarcity techniques. Irrespective of anything you want to sell, you will know how to use the scarcity techniques. And there's another one called urgency techniques. Everything is what they will teach you when you learn the copywriting skill. So that is that about copywriting skill. The next skill, which is the last skill that you need to learn if you want to know or understand the strategies of selling that something of value that you have, is what we know as the closing skill. So that is the last skill that you need to learn. This closing skill, there are lots inside it, because this is where the last job is. If you want to make money online, you remember that person was advertising on Facebook. That is the last. If you are advertising, you remember, for you to be able to advertise, I said you need to have your social media content marketing skill. You need to learn your copywriting skill so that you can know how to sell. This closing skill is now very important, because when you are generating those leads from your advert, some people will come and they'll be telling you, I don't have money. Truly, they don't have money. But truly, some people have money, they don't just want to pay. If you don't have a closing skill, you will still be wasting money, because people will just be coming, they will not buy. They'll be coming, they will not buy. And this leads to some people that are into business online, people that are selling some things. You remember I said this is a process, because they did not follow the process accordingly. They already have maybe hundreds of bags in their shop, and somebody told them, if you want to be selling online, go and run adverts. They did not learn any skills, they just pay for adverts, or they even start running it themselves. And people start coming. When people come, they are not their target audience, because the person did not learn copywriting skills to know who our target audience is. The person did not learn. So what happened to her? People come, they are not buying, and then she will complain, I've wasted thousands running ad. This ad is not converting. Why is ad not converting? It is because you don't have a closing skill. When you have a closing skill, you will know how to handle objections. We have different objections that people that are online are always giving you. They will always give you. Even this seminar that you are listening to today, a lot of people are hearing about my advert, but they still did not want to. They are feeling like, I don't have money for the seminar. The seminar that will help you, that will show you the right way, you still do not have money. Not because the person did not have money. The person have the money, but the person is still thinking, will this thing be good for me? So there are a lot of them in my funnel presently that I am still nurturing. They will definitely come and watch it. Because of what? I have a closing skill. I will definitely close them. Do you get it now? So you that you are watching it today, I've been able to close you to let you see that, you need to watch this particular thing. Why some people are giving me objection, that 1,000 I don't have, can I pay 500? I told them no. So there are a lot of objections that you are going to be seeing people giving you. Some people will tell you that I don't have money now, I don't have money right now. Some people will even tell you that let me think about it first. Some people will tell you that I don't have time, I'm busy. You can remember me myself, I was in the bank the other day, I did not have time, but out of no time, what did I do? I secured my time to learn the right thing, and now you can see the result. So if you also want to continuously make money online and you want to be selling to people, you need to secure that time out of no time. Some people will tell you they don't have time. So you that you want to sell your product to them, you need to understand the closing skill so that you can know how to close them. Some people will even tell you that, will this really work for me? Because everybody have been selling this thing is not working for me. You remember, just like if you are selling a bag, there are thousands of people selling a bag online. How can you convince people to buy your own bag? With the help of closing skill, you'll be able to do that. How can you convince people to come for your business? With the help of closing skill, you'll be able to do that easily. So one of the things that this skill is going to be doing for you is that it's going to allow you to know how to handle objection. After that time, it's going to let you to know, this thing that will cause something. What is psychology behind closing a sale? If you know the psychology behind closing a sale, things will be easier for you to close it. And you see, when you are running an advert on Facebook and you want to run them, maybe the tool that you are using, you are not using the landing page tool, and you are not using seller tool, you want to use WhatsApp tool, just like the one that I use this every time. If you want to use that tool, you need to understand what? You need to understand the stages of sales process. When you understand the stages of sales process, believe me, a lot of people will continuously pay you every single day. And that is what has been making me a lot of money since the day that I have resigned in my working place. I make money every single day on earth. I make money every day online, because at least in one way or the other, people buy what I am selling to them every single day. So irrespective of anything you want to sell, when you learn the right thing, you will make money every single day. So what are the stages? What are the stages of this sales process? We have a lot of stages. We have a lot of them. I'm going to be listing 3 for you, and the remaining 2, you may be learning it elsewhere, or you learn it in my class one day. So the first one is you have to build rapport. The second one is you need to identify their need. You need to present their solution. How do you do all these things? All this method of doing it, everything is what they are going to be teaching you inside the closing skill. Apart from you understanding the sales process, you need to also know the techniques. Closing also have a techniques, just like the way copywriting has its own techniques. So we call some things assumptive techniques, we call some things summary techniques, we call some things choice techniques. How do we use all these techniques for our customers, or for our lead, or for our target audience, people that said they are interested in our product? How do we use all these techniques for them? You cannot know it if you don't learn it. That is why please prioritize learning. All these 3 skills that I have mentioned above, when you learn them completely, you've been able to complete the second process of making money online. Presently, as I speak, I've been able to explain this to you, and I'm sure now that you now have something of value that you want to sell. If you don't have, you can now go and learn that something of value that you want to sell. After you learn that something of value, you remember the second step is to do what? Learn the strategies of selling that something of value, which means for you to understand the strategies, I said you are going to be learning those 3 skills that I mentioned: copywriting, social media content marketing skill, copywriting skill, and closing skill. Now you are on your way to making money online. You can see that this thing is a process. There is nothing like woo-woo to the answer. When you understand and you are doing the needful, you will definitely get there. So after that time, the next thing for you to now go and learn is to learn the required tools to support that strategy. Learn the required tools to support that strategy. So let me show you all the tools that are very, very important here. So as you can see from my screen, these are the important tools that you need to learn if you want to continuously make money online. Because with this tool, you'll be able to implement those strategies that you have learned. Strategies are knowledge. Tools are things that you need to implement that knowledge. You can see we have the AI tool. ChatGPT is very important for you. Some of people are selling ChatGPT course. You go and buy ChatGPT course thinking you will make money. ChatGPT course is just a tool that will help you in making the money. ChatGPT alone itself cannot make you the money. There are some things that you need to have inside your head that when you implement it with that ChatGPT, that is when you make money. But people will not tell you everything online. They will just advertise it for you, and then you will jump on it. So the tools that you need: marketing tools are seller. Marketing tools are seller. Marketing tools are those landing page. Marketing tools are systemic.io. Marketing tools are the tools that help you to able to be market that thing that you want to sell to the public. That is why you see that when somebody is running advert, they click on what? The advert. It takes them to either they go to seller, it takes them to either they go to their landing page, it takes them to either they go to their WhatsApp page, it takes them to either they go to their website. All those places that they are going, we call them landing pages, and then we can only achieve that landing pages with the help of marketing tool. So you need to know how to use this marketing tool. As you can see on my screen, Canva is one of the marketing tools that you need, because with Canva, you'll be able to create content and post it to the public. With Canva, you'll be able to do little designs for your advertisement or for your marketing of your product or your service or your knowledge or your skill. Irrespective of anything you want to sell, you need Canva. Graphic design. If you cannot use Canva, Canva is the most used tool presently. There are some advanced tools that you can use, but for people that are just starting, Canva is still the best tool that you can use. You need to know how to use CapCut. You need to know how to use Google tools like Google Forms, Google Sheets. All these Google Forms and Google Sheets will allow you to know how to run lead organically. Let me show you something.